Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 22 Ford Escape SE. Came out of the Phoenix, Arizona area. Nice and clean, few little rock chips on it. Good tread on the tires. Got Falcons on it. Interior is nice and clean, gray interior. Has 2 keys. These good running cars. My son has one. They work really good. So. Trip up there, so you got all your driver's assist, stereo stuff up there. These are nice. They get good gas mileage and they drive nice, very comfortable. And we warranty them. I think this has about 85,000. I couldn't get it to come up, but there you can see the interior is good and clean. They're nice and roomy. The new body style is really an improvement over them. Started in 20. So you might see a little parking lot chip here and there. Yeah, 85, 615. Comes our 1212. Comprehensive warranty, drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. Best coverage you'll get included on any vehicle. I just had somebody that bought a vehicle today and they said, we've never seen anybody do this, and that's why we come and bought one from you, because it's a warranty with it. And we recommend you buy a longer term as repair costs have increased. 605-692-7010.